we go, guys. Numbers 1, 2, 3 and 4 peak engines, all running via the Victoria boiler. It's on air at the moment. Haven't tried it on steam yet, but I don't see any reason why it shouldn't go fine. You know, if this is the what I'm getting on air. There we are. All driven off a copper manifold at the back, and the compressor's running on about 15 psi, I think, because it's only this small airbrush compressor, which is quite a tiny little thing, really. And there he is, just doing his thing, really. So there we have it, peaks 1, 2, 3 and 4.